Blacktop Magazine presents Bring Your Own Boogie, BYOB 10, Van In and Show, hosted by California Street Vans, Canyon RV Park, Anaheim, California, October 3rd through the 5th, 2025. Bring Your Own Boogie wasn't just a van in and show. It was a rolling time machine with shag carpet underfoot and freedom humming through the headers. Custom vans from the 1970s never went away. They simply waited for the rest of the world to remember how much fun it is to not take the straight line. In the 70s, the custom van was rebellion on four wheels. Muscle cars were loud and fast, hot rods were sacred history, but vans were a blank canvas. Big steel sides begged for airbrushed murals, dragons, deserts, cosmic dreamscapes, wolves howling at moons that never existed. Inside, builders turned utility vehicles into rolling studio apartments. Crushed velvet, diamond tuck panels, wood trim, mood lighting, and just enough mystery to make parents nervous. Vans weren't about lap times or trophies. They were about going somewhere, parking, and staying a while. BYOB 10 tapped directly into that mindset. This wasn't a lawn chair car show with ropes and rules. It was a gathering. Vans rolled in under their own power, parked bumper to bumper in a circle like a wagon train, and immediately turned into social hubs. Side doors slid open, music spilled out, stories followed. Just like the old days, the vehicle was only half the point. The people were the other half. What makes the 70s influence hit so hard today is that it runs counter to modern car culture. Today's builds are often optimized, spec'd, filtered, and validated online before they ever touch pavement. 70s vans didn't ask permission. Proportions were questionable, colors were loud, comfort mattered more than cornering. At BYOB 10, that attitude felt fresh again. These vans weren't chasing perfection, they were chasing personality. The influence shows up everywhere if you look closely. Modern builders are borrowing the freedom of the era. Unapologetic paint, interiors designed to be lived in, and builds that prioritize experience over numbers. Even outside the van world, you can see echoes, retro graphics, lounge-style interiors, and a renewed appreciation for vehicles as social spaces rather than just transportation. BYOB mattered because it reminded everyone why custom culture exists in the first place. Before algorithms, before sponsors, before everything had to be optimized for clicks, there were people who simply built what they wanted and drove it to meet friends. The 70s van scene captured that spirit perfectly, and Bring Your Own Boogie keeps it alive. One shag-lined, mural-covered, joyfully impractical machine at a time. It's a reminder that the best builds don't come from trends. They come from confidence, creativity, and the courage to roll up in something that makes you smile before anyone else ever does. A sincere thank you to California Street Vans for hosting and stewarding Bring Your Own Boogie with the same grassroots spirit that defined the original vanning movement. Events like this don't happen without long hours, personal sacrifice, and a deep love for the scene. Equal respect goes to the sponsors who stepped up and backed the show, not for hype, but to keep real, rolling custom culture alive. Their support keeps the gates open, the wheels turning, and the boogie going for the next generation of van builders and believers. Go to blacktopmagazine.com for more fuel-fed features. Are you on the blacktop?
Hi, I'm Christina Michelle. Thanks for watching Blacktop TV. Ciao.